Hello, Sissy Dai Dai. Iniba ko yung title. There you go, guys. There's my lunch, breakfast lunch. You like that? There you go. Delicious. Ginagawa. I'm doing the highlights. Very easy to make. So this one is shrimp soup with squash and spinach and pepper and shrimp. And this one is a fried rice. It's a long grain brown rice. I previously cook it first, and then I put beef brats and scrambled eggs, onion and garlic and olive oil. And that's what I made. They're really, really easy to make. They're about maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Very easy to make. Yes, it's tasty. I did not put any salt in them. This doesn't have any salt. This have a little bit of salt, but I put black pepper in there and black pepper in there too. So that's, yeah, right there. See if I can get thumbnail.